Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2022 Cadillac CT5. The owner of this vehicle wanted to protect his car, so we have installed our IGLA Anti pin code system. This device basically protects your car from anybody who has access to the vehicle won't be able to drive away. So even if you have the original key, even if somebody copied your key, even if you hand the key to them, they can't drive your car away without a sequence of buttons which the customer can change as many times as you want. The sequence of buttons using the factory controls, so you don't have like an aftermarket device that is visible. The unit itself is extremely small, impossible to find if installed correctly. Unlike other units, you don't have to carry a remote to turn it on and off. You don't have to remember to turn it on and off. It automatically turns on as soon as you turn the vehicle off. And every time you come to the car, you have to enter the code. Now, in regards to your remote starter, your remote starter will still work. But once you start the vehicle and you go inside the car, you won't be able to drive away without the code. So let me show you how it works. So as we just saw, I started the car. The car is remote started. So the car is nice, warm. You come into your vehicle. You want to drive away, so you press the push button. You have your dashboard all lit up. You should be able to drive away. So let's see what happens when I press the brake and I put the car in gear. Put the car in gear and it pops back to park. Put the car in gear, pops back to park. Drive, park. Reverse, park. I cannot move the vehicle. Now I'm going to enter my special code. The code is a combination of buttons, can be between 3 presses to 20 presses, and the code can be changed by the user as many times as they want. So I'm going to make the code and I'm going to get my confirmation. Okay, so we heard sound. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Put the car in gear, put the car in gear, and everything works. The IGLA Anti-theft system is available for a variety of cars. The pin code system will protect your car and has the biggest advantage comparing to any kill switch or any other systems in the market. Find us at Car System Installation and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.